Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, hit every single button on our screen. It's Max Voxo, MICSVOXO, and Emperor Gizmo from our other channel. Ooh. Looking nice over here. So you got the Microsoft pen tips over here. Let me just open this for you. Let me just pause this for a sec. So now that this is open, yeah, it's a picture of what you're supposed to do. So you get this. It's beautiful thing over here. So you get this, put it against the tip, slide it against the tip, and just pull out. The tip removes. So you have the 2H tip. Let me just focus this. So you have the 2H tip, you have the H tip, you have the HB tip, and you have the B tip. So basically each tip here it starts from hard over here and it goes all the way to soft. So be familiar with pencils here, you know what I mean. And the 2H tip over here has an angle, so like if you want to like shade, you shade like that. And then these pencils, these pen tips are like for engineering and stuff like that, and these ones for drawing as well. So it depends on which one you like. And that's it. I got this one for like £9 because I'm a student. It's sold for like £10 in England. Don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to hit the share button, subscribe, and peace out. That makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I'm addicted.